Hi friends! Today we're drawing Kuromi from Sanrio. Grab your pencil, paper, and let's get started. First, start with her round head shape. Kind of like a rounded circle. Make it nice and light with your pencil so we can add details later. Draw her small body, just a simple rounded shape with little arms and feet. Now draw her mischievous little eyes and smile. Don't forget her little pink nose. Now add her little skull right in the middle of the hat. That's Kuromi's signature look. It makes her super unique. Time to color. Use black for her hat, white for her body, and a touch of pink for the skull and cheeks. If you had fun drawing Kuromi, drop a purple heart in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to @Beekeen so you never miss another fun drawing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.